Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete comment history on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The short video sharing platform TikTok has become a great way to interact with people all over the world. The social media platform boasts an estimated 900 million daily users. You can share your own content, but many of us just watch, like, and comment on others people's videos. Along the way, you might decide you want to delete your TikTok comment history. So how to do it? It's so simple. If you left a comment on someone's video and you want to delete it, so first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now, you can tap on your profile on the bottom right here. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. On content and display section, you'll find option activity center. You can tap on that. And now you're in activity center. You can see your screen time and all the history like your watch history, comment history, search history. If you want to delete your comment history, you can tap on comment history. You can see these all the comment that you've made on TikTok. If you want to delete it, you can just tap choose on the comment that you want to delete. You can tap and hold on the comment and tap on delete. So now the comment has been deleted from that video. You can choose one by one like this. Tap and hold and choose on delete. You can choose again. But for now, you can't delete all your comment at once. You just can choose one by one like this. So that is how to delete comment history on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.